Week 2. Going to Jennings Fun Fair this weekend. Jennings Fun Fair in Chippenham. But give it another weekend's time, I'll probably go to the one in Mayfield in Mount Southampton. When it comes, the next one in Southampton is going to be in Mayfield. So it's 16-minute ride from Southampton train station. So it's not bad. So I'll go to that one in a weekend's time. But I'm not going to every single fun fair at the moment, as I need to save money up. And if I want to move to Southampton as well, my dad told me, I've got to get used to walking around it first, get used to it, make some friends while I'm there. So what we're going to do is walk there, get there, and start looking around Southampton and start making friends. That's what we're going to do, make some friends in Southampton. But this is Tom Dewey's Fun Fair Vlogs, and I got a new track you can listen to. I'll put it on at the end of this video, so I'll go a bit quiet for a minute and switch. I can't switch you with this. I hate this thing. You can't switch you with the camera on my phone when it's recording. It's a bit disappointing. I can't switch you with it. I can't switch you with. I can't do switch you with. I'm going to turn around. Tom Dewey's Fun Fair Vlogs. Tom Dewey's Fun Fair Vlogs. So the last Fun Fair Rise and the last